Hello guys, today we are seeing a cement tank semi-trailer has been connected to the prime mover. This is a single truck prime mover. Usually we would see the air connection first. This time we can see those air connections more easily. It has been connected to the prime mover. You can see from here the braking line has been connected to each other, and the red line to red line, yellow line to yellow line. The pipe does not tell which one is red, which one is yellow. Only the hand glove connector would tell. You can see our nameplate here. It says our product model and payload, maximum payload and tare weight, the outside size dimensions, VIN, and our production number and production date. At the bottom, we usually see the kingpin, but now we cannot see the kingpin because the kingpin has been connected to the fifth wheel. So here is a handle. So when you release this handle, the kingpin and the fifth wheel is unlocked. Then you can drive to the front. You would have the trailer and the truck separate. Here is the diesel engine over there, and the battery, air compressor. We have seen this many times. Then the air compressor connections from here to the pipes. The pipe, this is one direction valve, safety valve, gauge, goes to here and then goes to up here to the small chamber of the dish end. Then it gave the pressure to the tank, to the whole tank. You probably see the pipe here. It looks really weird, huh? It goes to here, and then here we have a ball valve. You can actually open this, or you can open this one. This line looks really odd. We haven't seen this before. That's why we are taking today's video. It is because we have installed the water system for this trailer. This is the water tank. You can put the water inside from this one and you can open it, and this line goes to the back. And you can also have the pipe here. Why we have a water system on a semi-trailer? Okay, here we can see more clear. See, those pipes are connecting to the braking drum. Each braking drum would have an end to get water when it's pretty hot. So when it's pretty hot, you can use water to cool it down. That's why we have a water system on the semi-trailer. Other things are pretty normal. This is the landing gear. That's landing gear. It's a double-side operation landing gear. Here is the spare wheel carrier. This is the side protection. And the axle is also made by us, by our axle factory. Put different brand. 战象, it is also our brand. It means elephant, the war elephant. Here's a pipe. A pipe goes to the rear, and then connecting the discharge pipe here. And this is the ladder. Now we're at this side of the trailer. You can see here's the water tank and the discharge house, discharge pipe, another water pipe from the top to here, and tire and wheels, tire and rim and axle, suspension. Here's the ladder. The ladder goes to the top from the rear. The ladder goes to the top at the front. So you can see, you can easily get on the ladder in the rear, stepping that tire, and in the front you can step that tire, the mud cover, to the top to check the manhole and everything. We have done this many times, so we won't do it this time. At here we have our VIN number, we call it VIN number, same like we have done it in the nameplate. We have another one over there. This is the landing gear system, and that's the mud guide. It's made by aluminum. That's how it looks at the end. Okay guys, I think that's enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. If you like our channel, please subscribe or hit the like button at the bottom. Thank you very much. Bye bye.